So let's talk about Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, LTC versus BCH. And Litecoin is right now sitting at $83. And of course, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin Cash soon as well. We will first talk about Litecoin, then we take it to not Bitcoin, the Bitcoin Cash. Anyway, we see a cup and handle structure. This is an ugly handle, to be very honest with you, but it is what it is. I've covered Litecoin previously as well, so let's go back and check and then we take it from there. Meanwhile, you can let me know that between Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, which one do you like, and of course why. So last time we talked about this thing on 1st of May. Today is 5th of May. 4 days have passed, and 4 days ago we shared a target of $88. It was sitting at 86. 88 was our target. Once it achieves the 88, then we were going to start talking about journey towards $100. But of course, if it fails, then we will be relying on the area of $75. That is pretty much it with Litecoin. Now, if we today look at Litecoin, Litecoin is sitting at 83. In 4 days, it has gone below the area and it was not able to conquer the area of 88. Now, until and unless we don't see 2 daily candles closing above this area, there is no journey towards $100. Rather, it's a downward journey. And in the downward journey, the first target is $75. After 75, we will get super bearish and then we will start talking about $50, $20, anything that you like. You'll start talking about everything, but for all that, it needs to lose first $75. As long as it doesn't lose the area of 75, we cannot talk about the bearish circumstances. At this stage, it is right now in the middle. The target is 88. It's sitting at 83. Support is 75. And that's pretty much it with Litecoin. There is nothing else to add. The performance of Litecoin in 7 days is down by 2.8%. And now let's look at its competitor, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is positive by 0.05%, which means it is not in loss in 7 days. So at least it is outperforming our good project, Litecoin. Now let's talk about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is sitting at $352.9 right now. And I don't think I have covered this coin ever. So I'm going to cover this coin for the first time. I have covered its fundamentals, but TA, I have not covered it anytime in the recent past. Anyway, if you're hearing sounds, it's just the cats, they use their washroom. It triggered my air filter, so that's the fanning sound. Anyway, so the overall situation of this coin is getting really interesting. At 420, it has a neckline for double bottom. If it ever goes to 420, stays and closes above 420 for 2 days, then BCH is going to start flying. It is going to directly go and fly and hit $500 first, and from there it will get more and more bullish. But that is if it goes to 420 and conquers it. I just wanted to share that perspective with you. Now let's talk about our current case scenario. What the hell do we expect from here? What can we use? Well, it's simple. Right now we are seeing this coin in its rising channel. 70% of the times it goes down, so we are leaning towards the downward journey. 30% of the times it breaks out, and we're going to talk about this overall situation. If it is not able to break above 382 for more than 8 hours, 2 4-hour candles, then it will pretty much confirm it is shooting down towards the area of support, which is $311, but you can call it 300. Let's forget about the 11 part. So it will shoot down towards the area of $300, and by then I'll come back and I'll let you know that if this is getting more bearish or it can hold up its bullish position. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.